Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add an image watermark to a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and select your watermark option. Select Add watermark and this type option. There are two kinds of watermark, text and this is file. Select this file option and click here and open your folder or image. I'll add this orange watermark and see this. And this watermark transparency, you can change it. I'll make it 50%. This watermark rotation, you can change. And this watermark scale, you can increase, decrease this scale size and make it 60. Yeah. And simply select all pages or current pages. Select OK. And see this image watermark now inserted all of these pages. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.